Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a very long time that I've not shown up in this channel. Anyways, I'm back with another DIY, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make my face cream using orange peel. I've done oil using orange peel. The video is on this channel, and if you want to see that, I will link in the video. I without wasting much time, let's get into it. This face cream is very effective, and you can use it to lighten your skin. You can use it to clear sunburn. You can also use it to clear dark spots and as well glow your face. And the ingredients I'm using, they are very simple and you can find them easily around you. And the first thing I'm going to use is my orange. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm using orange. I'm doing orange face cream, and I'm just going to use the peel. Then first of all, of course, is to blend it, and after blending it, you can see that this is how it look like, and this is the remainings. I'll just go ahead and lick it up later. I love orange juice. So after grating out the peel, I just go ahead to extract the liquid from the orange peel. Get this right, I'm using the orange peel and I will extract a liquid from the orange peel. The reason I'm extracting it, I don't want to use everything, and you can use the leftover for your scrub, like use it for your face scrub. Then the next ingredient is aloe vera gel. Guys, you know how good aloe vera is. Aloe vera is very good for your skin. Aloe vera softens the skin. Aloe vera moisturizes your skin, and also aloe vera is good for sunburn, for injury. If you have wounds on your body, it's very good in so many things. You can use it on your hair and also for your skin. Then after adding the aloe vera gel to my bowl, I just go ahead and add the orange peel juice on the aloe vera. After doing that, I will just mix it together until everything is well mixed before adding any other optional ingredients. Like most things that I will add after this, they are optional and you can choose to add it or not. It doesn't really affect any other thing. But the most important thing that you should add is your oil. This is to add extra moisture to it. Then after adding the oil, like I use almond oil, I love almond oil, and then I'll just go ahead and add teaspoon of glycerin and also a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. So you can add vitamin E oil or you can choose not to. It's not really compulsory. So this is how the consistency look like. If you want it to be more thicker, you can add more of the aloe vera gel. So I just want it a little lighter, then so that I like it anyway lighter. So guys, I'll just continue to mix it until I make sure that everything is well combined. To get effective results, you just have to use it often, and you can use it during the day and in the night before going to bed. And also you can also store it in your fridge, your refrigerator, to last longer. That is where I store it, and I use it up to a month and so, and it stay intact. So guys, after that I'll just go ahead and store it in my jar bottle. This is where I will store it through the use. I prefer to use it in the night before going to bed, and I also incorporate it into my skincare routine. So you can do that, you can choose not to. Like the peel that you get from the orange, you can use it to do your face scrub. So guys, this is it. This is how it look like, and that is it. Very easy to make and it's so effective. If you want to see the video of my oil, I will link it in this video so you go and see that. That is it for this video. This is how I make my orange face cream, and you can also do it at home. What you need is your orange, your aloe vera gel, your face oil, glycerin and vitamin E. You can add essential oil if you want to. So that is it for this video. Hope it's helpful. Hope you like it. If you try it out, don't forget to give me your feedback and please share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.